Hello everybody, this is Trina. I am doing the third card, this one here, from the Spruced Up Cardmaking workshop. So yeah, I think I'm just going to go ahead and get started. This workshop comes with everything that you need to create 4 of each of these cards, and of course you can definitely use the leftovers as well as the stamp set and the thin cuts for years to come. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. This is this particular workshop is found on page 10 and 11 of the January, February Close to My Heart supplemental catalog. And so yeah, I'm going to, oh, look at that, right on the back, perfect. I may need more foam tape. I have to bring out my big roll, and when I mean big roll, it's pretty big. So I am going to go ahead and prep the card face here. There we go, and it comes with an envelope. You can decorate that if you choose to. So to get started, it says prepare pieces as shown above. So I used the coordinating stamp set that came with the kit, and I cut out 6 of these. I stamped and cut out 6 of these flowers. And then I also cut out the banner, stamped the banner and stamped the sentiment inside, and then die cut them out. So that's all of the work you have to do there as far as inking and die cutting. So that makes it go a little bit quicker. So now it says attach 3A, 3B, and 3C. So in the instructions, you've got 3A, 3B, and 3C. So I just know that there needs to be the same size border all the way around. So that is what I'm going to do. And the stripes go on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and try to make sure that these are about the same size. Then you want to use this as your strip here. I'm trying to get this little piece of adhesive to stay all the way on this, but you can see that there's a little bit extra sticking over. So I just take that and I just fold it over back onto itself because it's sticky all the way around. So that's what I want it to do, is just stick to itself if possible. So I go up and I just kind of fold it over onto itself, like so. And then you can go ahead and stick that down. Make sure you line it up side to side, like so. And then we've got our vanilla, or French vanilla cardstock. Anything that hangs off the end, just tuck it in. And there is that. And then we're going to put these on foam all the way across here. Across, not across. It does not have a T in it. Okay, and here is some of my things that I have. I'm thinking that each one of these should probably have 2 of these like that. And you want to do 6 of these flowers. So I will be adhering 6 of them. Find the end of this, and then I can just cut some squares that are the right size. That and like that. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and put these across the side here, like they have it. So they still want, it just goes over the edge just a little bit, and most of the flowers are sitting up straight. So we're going to go right above, right about here, I think. so. And then this one will go right beside that one. Florals up. And you can turn these however you want, if you even want to turn them. You don't have to turn them. And you don't have to be extra slow with it either. You can be fairly quick-like, so that you're not overthinking it, of course, like I am now. I think maybe I'll put that behind there, and then this one over here. We're kind of crimped over here on the end, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my scissors. See, just when I tell you you can go fast, I screw it up. I need to go slow. Neater, neater, neater. Okay, that's an easy fix because it is just foam tape. Just add a new piece on the back, and then we can scoot this over a little bit. Like that, and then this one can pop up, and we can have that one there, and then this last one can go right over here. Like so. Oh, and we're getting lower on the totem pole, aren't we? Totem pole. It's not a totem pole. Lower on the line. Slow, 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 slow. Yes. Okay. So we can turn that one like this. Go up again. Oh, no, don't stick there. This one goes up like that. Okay. I'm thinking maybe that one could come up too. Probably wasn't very good. Hey, actually it's still got lots of sticky on it. Yay me. Yay me. Okay, there. Like that. Now it's time for In Our Prayers, which also has foam on it. And I am going to go ahead and just cut this down the middle. About the length of the banner. Like so. Obviously need to trim it off a little bit, which is perfectly fine because I use all the little pieces too. It's one of the reasons I have a carrier sheet for my extras stuff. So In Our Prayers is going to go right down here in the corner like so, and then we have bling to add. So we've got one right down here, and then a large one up here, and then a small one right down below that, just like so. And that is our third card. Very simple, very easy. As you can see, it comes out almost identical to that, which is awesome. So yeah. If you want to see how I did the other two, you can definitely do that. This one I actually stamped out all of the pieces with you guys because there was stamping here on the actual card base, so I kind of wanted to show you guys how to do that. But yeah, I will leave the link to those videos in the description box below, and I am very excited to have some new stuff to do and some new videos to bring you guys, and yay! I'm hoping to get myself back on track. So hoping. Send some prayers out for me. I will need them. So yeah, I will have to insert a photo here of my little munchkin. She is so cute right now. She's curled up in her little crate, and she's got her blanket. She's just kind of squished it up to her face. It's so cute. She's sleeping that way. Yeah, she's my puppers. So anyways, I will talk to you guys later. The links are in the description box below if you want to go shopping. If you want to check out all of my platforms, it is the @ symbol and then hellotarina, and it will take you to all 5 of my web pages, websites, I don't know what you call it. I have my Close to My Heart website, I have my Facebook, Pinterest, what else? Instagram, and let's see, YouTube. Yep, YouTube. So I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.